Let's see what literally brought my hair back to life. Hey guys, I'm Sophie. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk all about hair. If you guys are like me, I have been obsessed with getting my hair done since I was a kid. I've been obsessed with a million different hairstyles. You can ask anybody that knows me. They will say, I can't make up my mind on what I want to do with my hair. So that inevitably leaves me to doing a million things, to be honest, which is not so great for our hair, as I'm sure you guys well know. Just to give you an idea, I was blonde for many, many years, went very, very blonde. Then last year I had a change of heart and wanted to go brunette, and I almost went black. Then I chopped it off, then I started going back blonde, and here we are. I have no extensions in my hair right now. This is my actual length. This is my actual health of my hair, and I'm kind of completely shocked in how well that it's doing considering the year that I've put it through. I definitely think it has to do with a lot of really, really kick-ass products that I've been using and loving for months and months, and some of them years. So I wanted to show you guys because I want to spread the wealth of these products. I think we should all know about them. They're awesome, and let's see what literally brought my hair back to life. Let's start with shampoo. For years, I was the kind of girl who would literally go into a drugstore and buy whatever shampoo, said it was good for color treated hair or was good for shine or volume or whatever. But just a little bit of backstory on my hair. I have fine, thin hair, but I have a lot of it. So when you grab my hair into a ponytail, it's not the thinnest, but the actual physical strands of my hair are not that thick. They're quite fine. I also have naturally this color hair, and it's straight naturally. Very, very, very straight. I finally have kicked my drugstore habit of just buying whatever, and I'm starting to really go for products that are really good for my hair, especially when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. That's an area that I would say 3 or 4 months ago, I really started turning a page on because I decided I was needing to make a better choice when it came to the shampoo and conditioners I was using. So this brand, I'm sure many of you will know very, very well, but the shampoo and conditioner that I use are Olaplex. I use number 4, it's the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner, and they look like this. Olaplex is an incredible brand. I can't stress it enough, especially for people who are dyeing their hair blonde. This brand originated as an in-salon brand, but they've moved their brand to more customer-facing products as well, which I, for one, am really excited about. And shampoo and conditioner, I believe, came out in 2018. That could be completely wrong. I actually am basing that literally off of nothing other than what I think I saw in Sephora. And that's when I picked it up. I got the conditioner. Whenever I try new products, especially expensive shampoos or conditioners, I always go for the conditioner first because I find conditioners make such a difference and shampoos don't always feel like they do a ton. So I always invest in the conditioner first before trying the shampoo. I don't know why. That's just what I do. But anyways, needless to say, I bought one conditioner. I went all the way through it. It took me months, but I got through it. I loved it. I ended up buying the shampoo, and now I have a backup conditioner waiting to go. So I am pretty invested in these products. They make a huge difference. My hair feels super strong after I use them. It feels very, very clean. It feels like shiny and just, you know what healthy hair feels like? That's what it feels like. So I use these quite regularly, but I don't use them every single time I wash my hair. I do have a purple shampoo that I alternate sometimes when my hair is blonder. As well as I'm looking into other shampoos and conditioners because I want to have a rotation. I've always heard that it's good not to use the same product all the time in your hair when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. Again, no idea if that's true. I also just like to mix it up because I get bored and it's kind of nice to shake up the scents and the types of products you're using. So I'm alternating between these and just some other ones that aren't as exciting to name off. Needless to say, I'm trying out other products because I want to have a couple other shampoo and conditioner lines that I like disperse into my routine, Okay, so I've washed my hair, I get out of the shower. Next up, I use 2 pretty amazing products. The next 2 products I have been using consistently together for over 6 months, and my hair has grown so much over the last 6 months. I can't express to you how much it's grown. So I am gonna give a lot of credit to these two products. The first one is this product. This is the Alpha Parf Anti-Breakage Daily Fluid. This stuff is a spray. It smells really awesome. It smells like a clean hair product, but in the best of ways. And I spray this kind of all over, especially concentrating on the root and around my face, because I do find that that's where you get the most breakage, especially as a woman when you're like popping your hair back into a ponytail. So I use this every single time. I use this first. So then I go in with this Melu hair shield. This is by the brand Davines? I'm not too sure. This brand is amazing. I've seen it over the years and it's been out for ages. I used to have a hairstylist that had it consistently at her salon when I didn't see it anywhere else. And now I've noticed that every salon in the city seems to be getting this brand in. It's such a great, great brand. Every product I've ever tried from them is just really consistent. But this in particular is their hair shield. So this is a heat protectant. It smells glorious. And it's just a really good, I always want a hair protectant, especially as somebody who blow dries and straightens and curls my hair pretty regularly. So this is key for me. I used to use the Kevin Murphy one and I didn't find a huge difference in my hair. But ever since integrating this guy into my routine, I have noticed such a difference. Also, this is 250 milliliters. It lasts forever. I don't know how much this is. It's not the cheapest product. I think it's in the like $40 range, but it will last you for so long. So if you find this, I would highly recommend as a heat protectant. The next product I got pretty recently. It's a new launch again, I think. And I have been using it really consistently. And as you know, I love this brand and I was really excited by this. This is the Olaplex No. 7 Hair Bonding Oil. They say that you can use this on wet hair, on dry hair, like it's kind of an all-purpose thing. I've been using it very consistently and I'm loving the feeling of my hair after it dried when I'm using this product. So how I use this, it has a few different ways that you can use it. You can just like on the Sephora website in how to use, it explains it. But for me, I do it when after I put the other two products in my hair, I will actually get this on my wet, like damp hair, and I will run it through. I don't use the most of it because I feel like a little goes a long way and it is an oil and I don't want to like make my hair greasy or weigh it down. But I use this before I dry it, before I put any heat on it whatsoever. It does say that that's what it helps to protect and that's why I want to use it. So I have been loving this. Also, I have used it many a time and it looks like it's brand spanking new. So again, another hair product that will last forever. So even though buying 30 milliliters of a product for, I don't know how much this costs, but not cheap, seems crazy, it will last you forever. So this product I'm really, really excited to continue using. Your hair feels so soft after you dry it or style it when using this. So loving it. So the next two products are ones I've been using for quite a long time. I love them and they both are by amazing brands. So need I say more? The first one is a cult classic. It is the Way Texturizing Hairspray. I put this in my hair to add texture. It's exactly what it says. It's a hairspray and it adds awesome, awesome texture. And it has a smell from the heavens. So what more could you ask? Jen Atkin she just knows. She knows, I would argue, everything. Anyways, that's enough of that. But I do love that. If you're looking for a hairspray that really will give texture, especially if you have like fine or thin hair and you really want to give it some oomph, check that guy out. They've got mini ones at Sephora too. If you don't want to buy the gigantic one, you want to like test it out, I'm like fairly certain they have mini ones. Okay, the last product I am going to mention is by a like OG brand for hair. It is just a classic, and that is Kerastase. This is the Elixir Ultimate. It is a hair oil, and it's amazing. I will say you need the tiniest amount, but I put it on after I have completely styled my hair. I have put hairsprays, anything like that, and I just literally run it through for extra shine, to tame a little bit of flyaways, and to just add a little bit of nourishment back in to the hair, because your hair gets really dry, especially when it gets long. You can't avoid it. You're not gonna have the best hair in the world unless you have hair that you've never once touched with dye or hot tools or anything. You're bound to have breakage and dryness. That's just kind of how it goes. So this stuff is amazing to add some oomph back into that hair to really nourish it a little bit more. It's great. Highly recommend. It is also not cheap, but also I think I've had this for over a year, so it's gonna last you. Okay, so those are my ride or die products at the moment that have literally transformed my hair. My hair has grown like so many inches. I will insert photos of this spring of what it looked like, and you will see how much it's grown. The other things I try and do is I always use either a Tangle Teezer brush to brush my hair through when it's wet, or I'm looking into Wet Brush as well, which is like a competitor. I think it's a very similar product. So I use the Tangle Teezer to eliminate as much breakage as possible. I also have been obviously getting hard into the scrunchie game. I mean, they may not be the most attractive thing in the world, but A, they're back in style, so like, who cares? But B, they're really good for your hair, especially the silk ones. Those ones are expensive. I haven't actually personally purchased them because I think they're like $20 for two, and that seems absurd to me. But they are really good for your hair. Silk is really good. Also, silk pillowcases are apparently great, and they prevent breakage. I also don't have a silk pillowcase, but if you really want to go that extra mile, decrease the amount of hot items you're using. Don't blow dry your hair, don't curl it, don't straighten it as much as you can. Get a silk pillowcase, use hair scrunchies, and just generally be really kind to your hair and treat it with love. Okay, so that is my ride or die products that have helped me to grow this mane as long as I can. But then I get bored and I cut it all off again, but it's fine when your hair grows fast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any ride or die hair products that you swear by as well, because I'm always looking to add to this beautiful collection of mine, so let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. You know what to do. It's awesome. It really helps my channel grow. Leave me any comments. I'd love to get to know you. Let me know what you guys are loving, any other videos you want to see, that kind of thing. I'm always open to it. And I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.